Okay. So that's our caption that we've put in there, right? That we grabbed from our AI tool, which just seems perfect. We're going to add our picture. And what we do is click add your picture. And as you can see, you could browse or you could drag your file. And what we're going to do is just drag our file here. Let's see. And our picture should show up. And you can add, as you can see, up to 10 pictures that you can add there. Up to 10 pictures. So, well, how about we add just another? Well, sorry, we can't do that. You got to click this before you can add or drag. So we're just going to drag another picture here. So now we have 2 pictures. Now, let's hit our button because we want them to learn more, right? Okay. And we could just put BizCrownMedia.com. Right. And now we pretty much have our post. So let's see, preview here and see that. So this shows you how exactly it's going to show up and how many pictures is there. And a good rule of thumb is just to read over here because, you know, you might need to make edits. And when you need to make edits, just you go back there. So we need a period here. And let's see here. We are going to take this off because that shouldn't have been 20%. Link for your button. There we go. All right. And then preview our post again, as you can see. And what we do after then is just click post. Your update is being reviewed. If it isn't approved, you'll receive an email. And you typically do.